Hello viewers, today we are going to be discussing BODMAS. And as we know, BODMAS is the foundation and the basics for understanding simple expressions and equations in mathematics. So to start off, we have BODMAS, and these are what they represent. B represent brackets, O represent off, which is usually denoted as multiplication, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, and there is a trend in BODMAS which says from the bottom to the top there is an increase in priority. Which means that in an expression or equation, wherever you find this, you are going to prioritize the upper ones more than the lower ones. That is, if in an equation you have multiplication and addition, you are going to solve for multiplication first before addition. I have some questions here which we are going to use to understand better what I'm saying. So we have number 1. We have 8 plus 6 multiplied by 2. So if I don't know BODMAS, I would have just said, okay, 8 plus 6, that is 14. Then multiplied by 2, which will give you what? 28. But that is wrong. Because according to BODMAS, we have what? Multiplication, and we have another thing called addition. And multiplication comes first before addition. So what I'm to do is to solve for multiplication first before addition. So now let's do that and see what we will get. So for the correct one, let's see. So this will be, I'll solve for this first. So 8 plus 6 multiplied by 2 will be what? Drop this 8 down. Drop it down. So 8 plus, then 6 multiplied by 2 will be what? 12. 8 plus 12 will give you equal to 20 as opposed to 28. So I hope you understand that. But this one is very simple example of that. That just carries just two different signs. Let's now solve something that is more complex, but not as complex that we won't understand. So 1 over 3, open bracket, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, close bracket. So right now, let's identify the signs we have. First of all, we have bracket, B, bracket. Then here we have multiplication sign, invisible. We have multiplication, we have brackets. And another one thing we have here is what? Addition. Addition. So from what we have here, bracket comes first, multiplication comes second, and addition comes third. So we're going to first solve for bracket before solving for multiplication, before solving for addition. I hope you're following. So let's first solve for brackets. So let's bring out these brackets. Open the brackets is to divide the brackets, not even open the this thing. Let's open the bracket. So we're going to use the whole of these values here to open the other ones. So let's do that. We will have 1 all over 3 multiplied by 1 all over 2. That is this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. That is this, and also this. So plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4. So first of all, we've cleared brackets. Let's clear multiplication. So to clear multiplication now, we'll just multiply this. 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. 3 multiplied by 2 gives you 6. Plus 1 multiplied by 3 gives you 3. 3 multiplied by 4 gives you 12. Let's find LCM to also clear. So we've cleared multiplication. Let's clear addition. To clear addition, we need the LCM. To get the LCM, we already have the LCM. So So the LCM will be 12. 6 divided by 12 gives you 2. 2 multiplied by 1 gives you 2. Plus, and by the way, if you don't know how to solve LCM, subscribe and check my other videos because I've already done that in the previous videos. Thank you. So, continuing, 12 divided by 12 gives you 1. 1 multiplied by 3 gives you what? 3. So, 2 plus 3 gives you what? 5 over 12. And that is your final answer. Thank you for watching.